What's up, everyone? It's Rebecca back here again with amazing recipes, amazing videos. If I told you are new in this channel, please consider subscribing to Rebecca Foods and please watch my videos and give them a like, comment. And for the returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. Thank you for returning and don't just keep it there. And for those who have not joined the membership pack, kindly join the membership pack so that you can enjoy the exclusive packs. So guys, I'm back again today with this video, still on baking. With the request for bread, I'd already done bread baking, but in oven. Now today, whoever asked or those who ask about bread baking in Charcoal Jiko, here we are today. Kindly watch this video till the end and remember not to skip the ads. If you want to promote Rebecca Foods, don't skip the ads. So stay tuned, watch this video until the end. So guys, for you to break a good fluffy bread, these are the ingredients. I have milk with me, I have 1 egg, I have sugar, I have yeast, I have salt, and I have all-purpose flour. So I will start first by adding just 1 cup of milk, then 1 tablespoon of yeast, and then make sure you whisk. I have to give it a little bit of time to make sure it settles up. So guys, you can see it has not mixed well, so I'm going to whisk it. Let it settle. After this, we are going to add 3 cups of all-purpose flour and make sure you sieve it well. And lastly, the third one. That's okay now. Make sure the flour is fine. So next we are going to add 1 tablespoon of salt and a 1/4 cup of sugar. So we'll start by 1/4 cup. Stay tuned. 1/4. So 1/4 cup of sugar. One tablespoon of salt. Then now we do the mixing. Mix up everything. going to add a 1/4 cup of oil. So stay tuned. Now, guys, from this point now, you are going to mix your dough using your free hand. So if you have gloves, you can use the gloves, or you can wash your hands well. So stay tuned. You can put on your gloves or use a free hand to make sure that you mix your dough well till soft. If you want a fluffy bread soft, use this procedure. And guys, remember, we are not going to bake with oven or microwave. We are going to bake this in charcoal jiko. See, so make it much more. Have a rough surface, a hard surface. You can continue mixing it for about 15 minutes. Make sure that everything gets in well. You can see this is not enough for 15 minutes. So stay tuned, guys. Yes, the reason why I wanted the stiff surface so that it can come out soft like this. Look at my dough now, very soft and shiny. So after doing this, I'm going to place it back in this bowl and give it another 30 minutes so that it can swell. Look at this, you make sure it's soft. Make sure you knead it up to 15 minutes. So what I'm going to do next is just to cover it using a clean paper for 30 minutes. And I want you to be observant to see this. Look at where it is. So after 30 minutes, you'll find it rising up. So that's when you feel it's ready. As if that is not enough, you're still going to use towel just to cover it and put it aside. So guys, leave it there for another 30 minutes as you prepare your charcoal jiko. So stay tuned, guys. Make sure you watch this video until the end. Don't buy bread from the shops. Take fresh bread together with your family. So guys, as our dough, we are still giving it time. So if this is the pan that you are going to use in your charcoal jiko, what you are going to do, you have to pour in some salt just below it. Make sure. So once you do this, preheat your sauce. So the baking pan, we are going to use this. This is the normal size of the bread. This is what we are going to use. So still we are on this. So we are just going to place this on a charcoal jiko to make sure that it heats for about 10 to 15 minutes. You have to heat it for 10 to 15 minutes so that it will come out well and fluffy. So stay tuned. So guys, this is my charcoal jiko. And I'm going to remove some of the charcoal later because I'm just still eating my pan. And this is my saucepan with salt inside. So I'll keep it there and let it preheat for about 10 to 15 minutes until it gets hotter. The reason why we're putting salt there so that it can give the baking pan the warmth, that same warmth like of the oven. So we'll just cover it to make everything heats up. So guys, this is the process of baking. You can bake even cakes just as I did in the other one. If you're told you didn't see, just go over there and check. So this is now we are baking bread without oven, without microwave. So stay tuned. 25 minutes are over. Look at my, if you do this and you see some puff, so what I can say, it's done. Though I would have left it for another 5 minutes, but still it can work. So from here, we're going to take it out. So I'm going to roll it. Depending on the size of your baking pan, now after this, guys, and when it reaches here, make sure you squeeze it so that it can get like this. Then you further do this. Then at the edges, you squeeze inside. Change it the other way. Squeeze this inside. So this, after doing this, make sure you lubricate your pan, your baking pan. I'm holding it with something because I was trying to preheat it. Then you sprinkle some flour so that it doesn't stick. The cake doesn't stick. I mean the bread doesn't stick. And again, lubricate it with some oil once again. So what I'm going to do is to place my bread in here. This, you can see this. So guys, before you place it, your bread, this is the use of this egg. Add some milk. I overdid the milk, but still it's fine. We'll do it again once it comes out from the baking tray. So from here now we are going to the baking. So yes, look at this. I will place it there. Make sure it's at the center. Then I'll cover it. I'll give it 30 minutes at most. So after 30 minutes, come check, my bread will be done. It is done. And now, let me just take out my bread. Wow. Look at my bread. This is 4.5 by 10. So this is 4.5 by 10. So this one happens when balancing of the heat. So we'll just compare it with the one that we've done by gas. You'll see the difference. There's this other one that I used the gas. So let's just see how it is. Wow. It's also almost done. This is 4 inches, 4 by 9 size. So the mixing was just the same as the other one. So what I just wanted to share with you is just one was on a Charcoal Jiko and the other one is in we are doing the gas. So stay tuned. Let me just give it. It also has about 2 minutes to be done. So I'll just cover it and let it cook. 2 minutes are over, guys. I'll take this one off as well. You can see it. This is the one done by gas. I'll just switch up. This is 4x9. You can see it. So this is 4x9x4. So meaning this is 4 inches. I mean 4, 9 by 4, and this is 4.5. So you can see this one's small and it's bigger than the other one. So this is by gas, this is by charcoal. So guys, you can see you can still do bread without oven or without microwave. So guys, the volume of the bread will depend on your baking pan. If you look at this baking pan, this is all of them are 400 grams, but you can see this how it is. So that's why it produced this. And you see this one, it is also 400 grams, but it's not deep, it's shallow. So depending on the pan. So if you want to do it for business, make sure you have the right measurement or for the grams that is recommended in the market. Look at my fresh bread. Not the ones which have stayed in the shops for long. So let me just slice them. So I have my bread slicer here. So, hey, it's still hot. Wow. It's still hot, guys. Yes, you can see my bread. Well done. Very soft and fresh. So guys, kindly bake bread at home. Whether you have oven or not, you can still make it with your Charcoal Jiko or with your normal gas. So let's give my video a like, share, and mostly try it on. And let's meet on another video. But guys, it's still hot. Let me let it cool down.